Gonna go take out the pit bike today. Gonna go to this private track called the Goat Path. This guy Jake seen a couple of my videos, hit me up, asked me if I wanted to go riding. He said he's waiting on one of his buddies, but he'll come pick me up. He's gonna ride his 110 and his friend's gonna ride his 125, so it'll be sick. Hell yeah, gonna do some 110 motos. Gonna make sure I actually got gas in this thing. I don't even remember the last time I filled it up. I hate these gas cans so much. Need 2 hands to use them. Ooh, don't want to overfill. Yeah, we're full. Got the 110s loaded up. Jake with the factory treatment picking me up. Sweet truck, dude. Chilling on the wides. I'm gonna take the 110s to the Goat Path. We'll see how it is. Should be a sick day. Always a good time ripping 110s. I pee in pools. Hell yeah. This thing's a fucking rig. Already know how to get the white monster. Pit bike's loaded down. Almost there. You said what, like 2 minutes?
2 minutes away.
Hell yeah.
We got the Pringles and the Mountain Dews.
Hell yeah. Pulled up to the goat, whatever the fuck it's called. I always forget it.
The Goat Path.
The Goat Path. Let's get these fuckers unloaded.
They posted on Facebook that you can ride the Ooh.
Check this place out. Always some bike work. Always.
Big bike guys.
Yeah, we might as well just fucking throw it in the trash.
The wheelbarrow fell out. That's always good, huh?
Oh, really? Just hit it back in with a rat. Oh, you just push it in?
Pro mechanic.
Yeah. We don't need no press.
We got them finger presses.
There's them boys out there just having fun while we're out here just doing work. $20 to go 5th pinned.
I'd make it across, bro. I'm a higher. Oh, you fucking going. Snap. Yeah. Got you, bro. Got you. Dude, see if you can move my back tire around. Can we just pop it up and turn the bike? I think you can. There's a big log right there. That didn't even spin it off. I can't that motherfucker wasn't even spinning the back wheel. Oh, that's a sweet ass picture.
I'm waiting for the domino effect. Dang, bro. The last one here.
That was smooth as fuck. Oh, oh no! The last thing you did was smooth as fuck. It looks so good.
Dude, I just came into that corner and I didn't have enough power to...
And so this is where it starts.
That kind of hurt.
No, it was sounded bad. Smooth.
fucking big.
It's fucking huge.
I OJ'd it too.
Dude, like, I don't think you understand. Like, I was like,
that's fucking big. I was like in the air and I was like, oh fuck, I'm going a little bit deep.
Alright, so look. He takes me out, like if this looks like a real race, where should he take me out at? In the sand. I know. Sherlock, which turn? Come on in,
Might be leaking a little bit of fork oil here. It'll be all right though. Yeah, you don't need a maintenance of 110 anyways. They don't need maintenance.
all I need is a light bar, that's it.
Yeah, dude, that shit is bright as fuck.
Dude, $5 a TV, come on now.
You might have to send me that link. 110's loaded up. Quick 2-bike load up. We're hitting the road.
You got the same fucking hat.
Yeah, I got the same hat. I've been on that type of time. Dude, how long did it take to get all these air fresheners?
Not long. Chuck used to stay, man. We'd have the fat girls in here, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Hour later, we made it back to the house. Pit bike is hammered. Definitely gonna have to go out more times riding with him and his buddies. Had a sick ass time. The goat path was awesome. Nobody was there, so we just kind of fucked off and rode around wherever. Good ass day riding dirt bikes.